Today I'm doing a review on my Versa-Vents. I just got done installing them. It took a little bit longer because I made sure that basically I wanted them in the right position. So I taped everything off like I said, and turned out good. And there's the outside coming from the inside. That vent's already open, and you just take over here on the side and you open it up and adjust it how much as you want, and then when it's raining or it gets cold, you just flip it back shut. I was getting too hot, the turbos run really hot, so I installed these, and it made a big difference. I got a vent in the middle too, that's what I started out with, and it just wasn't supplying enough air to me. I was getting way too hot, so I installed these on my window. They didn't come this way. Hope that helps you out.